Hello everyone, welcome your visit to the Winnerpak 2023 new workshop in Zhongshan City, with 120 skillful workers. Now you see the cardboard creasing machine for the box insert. Here is the small piece of leatherette creasing mark cutter, for the jewelry box surface wrapping. Here are parts of our raw material storage area, like cardboard and leatherette. Now we come to the sample room. Let me introduce one of our technical teammates, Ming. He is good at creating cut molds like these wood boards in the sample room. Steel knives are set inside wooden panels, which request the exact positions for paper, leatherette, and velvet cutting. Now we come to the table lines for leatherette watch box production. Let's take a closer look at my teammates' craftsmanship. They're experienced in box wrapping, gluing, and sticking for more than 15 years, and skillful at the production of irregular shaped gift boxes. The key to wrapping work is to make sure the leatherette is well stuck at the exact box position to the plastic frames, and avoid quality problems of poor adhesion and glue marks. This process is to give pressure on each side of the box, so that the leather on the outside can fully adhere to the plastic frame, avoiding the quality problem of bulging surfaces due to poor adhesion. Here is the embossed printing process for the watch box top face. A clear customer brand logo is printed on the surface of the leatherette piece. The temperature of the printed board and the hand operation pressure is the two main factors to create a nice logo. Next, we went to the powerhouse to produce simple and inexpensive gift boxes. The video shows the production of a square structured cardboard box, using Sony's 0.1mm camera sensing induction technology to achieve precise alignment of the cardboard with the overglued paper, standardizing the quality of each gift box. We are able to produce 40,000 boxes per day of square structured paper boxes and plastic boxes like this. Now we come to the paper bag automatic line. Paper comes in and the bag comes out. Most luxury brands starts to use this kind of affordable cost and eco-friendly simple square paper bag. Include the bag mouth carry handle also by paper string. Bag gluing, folding, and forming all be finished in the machine. We are able to produce 30,000 PCS of bags per day. Thank you for your valuable time to watch our 2023 online factory tour, and for learning more about our jewelry packaging production for luxury brands. We look forward to working with you, creating beautiful, high-quality packaging for your jewelry. Despite our vast physical distance, we show our dedication by making the perfect products for you. More Winnerpak profiles and catalog, just come to visit our website, giftbox.com. Talk with you soon.